Hello, this is Beril Saadet Yenigul. I'm from Turkey. Currently, I'm a PhD student at University of Leeds. My topic is Tribology of facet joints. First things first, let's have a look at what tribology is. The simplest definition is that it is a science and engineering of interacting surfaces in relative motion. The efficiency and functionality of many applications depend on tribology knowledge, such as brakes, pumps, turbines, tires, pistons, and even biomedical implants. Tribology is named as biotribology when it is applied to the functioning biological systems. My project's focus is on the facet joints. Their primary duty in our body are to provide support to the spine and limit the end range motion. However, sometimes wear and tear is observed on the facet joint surfaces, which results in pain in the neck. According to a research, 65% of the population suffers from neck pain in their lifetime. Before a replacement considered as an option, your doctor may suggest injections or some exercise. In most cases, this only provides a temporary solution. My aims in this project are to understand the tribology of human facet joint, to develop a facet joint replacement for the neck. In line with that, I designed a facet joint replacement which is biocompatible, load-bearing, motion-preserving, and lastly, chemically stable. The next step is to create a testing setup to determine its lifetime, wear properties, and biocompatibility. I will be measuring the friction between the surfaces of this implant by mimicking the conditions of our most common daily living activities. You can be part of this project by commenting your daily living activities that you think you do the most often.